Okay, welcome back to the perception test. This is time for your answers. So what I'm going to do is go through the answers. You are going to see how many you got right, how many you got wrong. And this is going to give you a sense of how perceptive are you naturally. And then we'll go from there to teach you how to be better. So number one, on the standard traffic light, is it green on the top or bottom? The answer, hopefully you got it, is bottom. If you didn't get it, stop driving. Number two, in which hand is the Statue of Liberty's torch? That is the right hand. Number three, name the 6 colors in Campbell's rainbow soup. The answers are red, blue, white, yellow, and black. What's your favorite soup? Mine is chicken tortilla. Number 4, which letters don't appear on a telephone dial? The answers are Q and Z. No Q, no Z. Nowadays they have them on there, or back in the day on cell phones, but on a normal telephone they don't. Number 5, on a Minnesota license plate, is the Minnesota on the top or bottom? The answer is top. Number 6, when you walk, does your right arm swing with your right arm or your left leg? Your right with right or left with left? You are alternating when you walk, so your right arm swings with your, left leg. How many matches are in a standard package? I'd be super surprised if any of you got that, but it's 20. On the American flag, is the utmost stripe red or white? It is red. 13 stripes. Red starting. Does writing with a pen or pencil run from the point end to from point to end or end to point? I have a Sharpie in my hand right now. The word Sharpie goes from left to right, and the point is to the left. So the writing goes from point to end. Point to end is the answer. Number 10, what is the lowest number on an FM radio dial? So what is the lowest stations you can have? The answer is 88. It's the lowest frequency that radio broadcasts. 11, on a standard computer, over which number is the percent symbol? It's 5, so shift 5 would get you a percent. Number 12, which way does the water go down to the drain in the northern hemisphere? It's counterclockwise, so it goes like this. Number 13, what are the 2 symbols on a touch-tone phone that bear no digits? This would be the pound and the star. Hashtag. Okay, but it was a pound symbol before hashtags were a thing. Number 14, which way does the end of the red diagonal slash go to no smoking sign? This would be top left to bottom right, so it would look like this. No smoking, no FUBAR. Number 15, which 4 presidents are on Mount Rushmore? There's 4 of them. Washington, George Washington, Thomas Jefferson, I know him, that can't be, Teddy Roosevelt, and Abe Lincoln. What 4 words appear on every U.S. coin and currency? E pluribus unum, in God we trust. Every coin. Number 17. Which direction do the blades of a fan rotate as it blows on you? If you're looking at it, it goes clockwise. So a fan's going, here's your fan. This is a very bad fan. And the blades are rotating this way. Whose face is on a dime? On a dime is Teddy Roosevelt with his glasses. Doesn't have glasses on the dime, though. How many sides does a stop sign have? A stop sign is an 8-sided shape, plus the front and back. Do books have their even numbered pages to the left or right? So if you open a book, are the even pages to the right or to the left? The answer is left. What room is the number of this classroom? If you're in my class, Mr. Burke's class, A309. If you're in Miss Ross' class, I believe it's C311. How many lug nuts are on a standard American-sized car? Number 22. The answer is 5, and they go in a star pattern. And when you tighten them, alternate. Number 23. How many hot dog buns are in the standard hot dog package? 6. Super annoying because the hot dog packages have 8. Number 24. Which card of the deck in the deck is the card maker's trademark? The card maker's trademark sign is on the Ace of Spades. The Ace of Spades. Spades. Number 25. How many states are there? Please, for the love of Peter, you all know that it's 50. Number 26, on the back of a $5 bill is the Lincoln Memorial. What is in the center of the backside of a $1 bill? In the center of a $1 bill is the text 1. Number 27, how many sides are there on a standard pencil? There are 6 sides to a standard pencil. Number 28, does a carousel turn clockwise or counterclockwise? It goes counterclockwise, I promise. How many curves are there in a standard paperclip? 3. 1, 2, 3. Who's the 7th dwarf? Bashful. You can probably can't read that. Bashful. Okay, now you have the answers. I want you to count how many you got right from this list. And then you're going to see how perceptive you are. Hopefully you're in one of these and you're not here. That's there. That's that. But if you're not, if you're down here, we got to think about why. So answer these questions. What is the reasons that you may fail to perceive your world incorrectly? If you scored really high, what leads you to believe that you are very perceptive?